Good morning, class. As yesterday I have explained you the ninth chapter, that is pronoun, and I hope it is now clear to all of you. Now today we are going to start with the exercises of ninth chapter, that is pronoun. Now start with the exercises. Fill in the blanks with the personal pronoun. You have to fill here the blanks using personal pronouns. Personal pronouns like I, me, we, he, me. Okay, the first one, Dash do not know when Sikandar left for his college. So I do not know when Sikandar left for his college. What I remember is that he took breakfast at 8 a.m. with me. But after that, I went to my room for a change, and when I came out, as Sikandar is a boy, so he was already gone. Mother was not feeling well, so she was sleeping, as mother is feminine, so we have used she for. Was sleeping in her own room. In fact, whenever Sikandar friends come outside, he just joins him, and they all go away very fast. Now let us move to the B exercise. In this, you have to take the correct demonstrative noun. This, that, demonstrative like this, that, these, those. First one, these is the pen which I bought yesterday. It is only saying about a single pen. So this is the pen which I bought yesterday. Second one, those that are good books. They are talking about books that are plural. So we cannot use that. We are going to use those because those are used for plural. Third one, that these is the gift which my uncle gave me. Oh, it is talking about a single gift. So we have to tick that. That is the gift which my uncle gave me. These are the keys which I needed. Keys are plural, so we are not going to use this. We are going to take the these. See, first of all, in this exercise, you have to see whether the words are talking about singular noun or plural noun. According to that, you have to use this, these, that, those. These, that are the best shoes at his shop. Now, these, as they are talking about shoes. This are difficult problem. These are difficult problems because problems are plural now. Let us now move to the C exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns given below. These are some of the pronouns given here. You have to fill using these. There are 2 apples you can take. Dash of them. There are 2 apples you can take either of them. 5 Brahmins were invited, but dash of them were given food. But none of them were given food. We went to France and Italy, but dash of the country was better than India. But none of the countries was better than India. There were 2 men in the cabin. I talked to each. Let us now move to the D1. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive noun. Possessive nouns like mine, yours, hers, theirs, my, your, his, their. You can use any of this. These are all possessive nouns. I visited dash class school in vacation. I visited my last school in vacation. My father owns this car. It is not his. They have forgotten dash newly brought clothes in the shop itself. They have forgotten their newly brought clothes in the shop itself. This garden belongs to me. This is mine. Let us now move to the E1. Encircle the pronouns in the following sentences and write if they are personal, possessive, demonstrative or distributive. You have to encircle the pronoun and tell which kind of noun is it. First one, please get my shoes here. My is the possessive noun. So it will be possessive pronoun. I shall take the exam tomorrow. I, that is the personal noun, personal pronoun. This is Rinku's first mistake only. This, demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun. Each of the men was honest. Each, distributive. Now, we have been completed all these exercises. Now what you all have to do is, you have to copy these exercises in your notebooks using black pen and blue pen. Write the sentences using blue pen and write the blanks using blue pen. Homework for you all is to learn the definition of pronoun and its kinds. Thank you.